Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to learn how to download and install Steam application on your PC or your laptops. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your computer, and once you do, go to the URL box at the top and type in store.steampower.com and search. This will take you to the official website for Steam, where you can easily go to the top right corner and look for the Install Steam option. Click on that and wait for this Steam download package displayed on the left hand corner on the next page. You can go ahead and download Steam for your Windows, for your Mac, and so on. Since we are downloading it on Windows, let's click on this Install Steam Windows option and wait for the download to complete. Enter your file name and select where you'd like to download it and click on Save. And then the application download will begin. Once it finishes the download, click Open Steam Setup and follow through the setup process. Go through the information, click the Next button, select your languages and click Next. Select the destination folder for Steam and tap on Install. Once you are done with the installation, you will be able to run Steam application on your PC. Wait for the updates to download on your Steam application, and after it does, you will be able to open up the Steam application on PC. Then you can go ahead and create a new Steam account if you don't have one, or log into your existing Steam account and you'll be good to go. So that's how you easily download and install the Steam application on your PC or your laptops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.